So, you guys, it is raining. Look at that. It's raining. Gotta put the guards down.
Shit, that's my house.
Yeah, I know. That's why I put my hood on. Gotta put the guards down. Now, this one gets fucked up. It's because we had to take it off and put it on. They didn't like how it was looking. So, might have a little drip.
Damn, this side too.
It's a little drip.
Yeah, from all that moving it, it's our fault. I'm gonna have to end up buying some.
$68.
It's worth it though. Shit.
Yeah, it is. Just know, put it on, keep it on.
Yeah.
I mean, you can't really do nothing about it because it's coming from right here.
I know.
So, shit, this one's bad a little bit though. You know what I'm gonna do? Jerry ain't got time. You wanna do the same thing?
I don't drip no more.
Mine is. So,
Got stuck up in there.
yeah. So, you guys, we're on the way to get some pizza. Bae says he gonna do his hair like mine, so I won't feel insecure. He almost done. Mine's done. Mine was done yesterday. Pizza. Okay. Earlier it wasn't raining, like at all. Mailbox is wide open. Is there any mail in it? Don't look like it. Backpack. Everybody mailbox open.
Wind must
Maybe. Take 2 times.
Yo.
Choking himself. We were stopping at Dollar General first.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. If y'all haven't seen my last video, Duke was on punishment. You want to give your side of the story, babe?
He just like to run around too much and he knocked my camera down.
I personally feel like it's because KK was around. He trying to get attention. So I feel like my theory was he gonna act a little out of whack when these babies come. On some trying to get attention. You know what I mean? Or no?
It depends on how we bring, like,
Introduce it to him.
yeah.
But I know for a fact that he'll keep a good eye because when KK was moving, he was looking. You know what I mean?
Right. And we done had him around babies already.
Yeah.
So he already know. Puppy, he was around babies and stuff. So he got an understanding of what a baby is and how they act, like how they just grab you and slap you and stuff. He understand all that.
Literally. fucking car mat. I didn't tell y'all about that. Well, I'm trying to get her out when I was saying about the whole park thing. You know, he, like, pees on my floor. Like a crazy dog. Legit. I'm just telling him to move so I can get KK out the car. At this moment, I will be getting slapped with fucking water. Slapped with water. Not getting slapped with water today. Alright. He's gonna go in?
Alright, so I was gonna go in.
Some of them look perfect. Some of them look a little. Some of them look real damn good though.
How much the food?
21, 22. I just gave you one of my dollars to.
Give me $4.
How's your day today, babe?
Awesome. I made like 12 vlogs. I'm uploading them right now. I was gonna get out the door and do more, but it started raining.
That got put to a halt.
Yeah, but I got other plans for other things.
Definitely. Gotta stay with it.
It was 20 what?
21, 22.
$21, $22. See if that's 20.
Feels good to have some air coming through. I just be talking.
Ah, that's good though. I'm cold with it, okay, from that rain. But I got mad stuff coming, man. My cousin got his own studio now. The nigga gonna let me get in that bitch. I gotta get my engineer to come teach me how to engineer.
Right.
And shit, it's up. At least know how to record that shit, and then he can engineer it still.
Yeah. Take the umbrella if you want it.
That's just extra. I'll be right back. You want to Dr. Pepper?
Yes. I'm over here retwisting some of the ones that came loose. My hair don't know, like, it's supposed to be twisted. My hair don't know that yet. I'm trying to get it in that process. For a while I look like a little boy. I think I look like a cute little boy. If they were like neater and maybe put together some more, it'll probably look good. But there's some good looking ones. Like that one is a really good looking one. That's a real good looking one. That's a real good looking one. You scared me. That one's loose as fuck. So I'm just retwisting the ones that's loose like the one I just loosened. Because what I'm trying to do is get my hair to lock a little faster. Because it really wasn't locking like I needed it to. Like every time I would get them retwisted, they wouldn't really be twisted all the way like this. They would just get retwisted at the root. So not all of them would have the full twist in the dread. Like it would be coming apart in the middle somewhere or something, and I'm like, no. Even if they are starter dreads, they're not supposed to be unfluffing this much. I get, you know, they unravel, but not to where I can stick my whole finger through it. Okay? So y'all ain't finna tell me I'm tripping or I just need to calm down, because I know for a fact that's not how it's supposed to be. I know how for a fact it's not how it's supposed to be. But it is what it is. I was gonna have Bae do it. Bae actually twisted my hair to where it looks like this. Not all the way down, but if I was to unravel it, it would be more of a dread. Bae actually did that. He went through, and the ones that really didn't look too good, he really combed it out and twisted that hoe up so it turned into a little dread. And again, just some of them didn't want to stay, but they were like that before I had got him to retwist my hair. But he was gonna do this one, but I ended up starting. I just started like on 2 of them over here, and I was like, well, shit. I mean, that's not hard. All I gotta do is just twist it all the way down. So fuck it. I just was starting to do it in the car, and I ended up having like 3/4 of my head done. Or at least almost a half of it done. 1/4 of my head. I had 1/4 of my head done. And he was like, well, you might as well finish. And I finished last night before I went to sleep. And I promise you, these bitches hurt like I just got them done. Like on some, I did these bitches tight. I'm happy these little ones up here came done a little bit, because they was tight. They was tight. And the ones back here, I feel the tightness. Because I did 2 of them together, low key. I did put 2 of them together right here in this one that I'm feeling. And that's where it's tight the most. But I'm probably gonna leave. My back ones though, never stay. Like, they never stay. That's not even a ball. It's just crumbled up. It's just crumbled up. They don't want to stay for mama. I'm not trying to pull them too much, because I don't want my hair to pop from the root, nor do I want my hair to pop from the middle of the dread. So I'm really trying to be cautious with how I'm twisting them. I don't want to twist my edges too tight, and like I said, they pop, because it'll happen.
That shit been coming down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Crazy, man. Boy, that lady that be at the real school.
Man, this one is not
that white lady,
staying.
she's starting to get tired of that shit.
Who? Crystal?
Nah, that's she was the store manager.
Yeah.
I
Jessica?
guess that's her name.
She done got skinny?
Yeah.
Yeah.
She used to have like big hips or
Yeah,
some
that's
shit.
Jessica.
Like, She must be stressing about that shit.
No, she ain't stressing about the job.
Oh, what is this shit going on?
So, y'all, that's just me and my hair though.
I forgot what was on there.
I'm gonna come back on when we pull up to Domino's. And we out.